Back in mid-November, Accept announced the results from a joint inaugural study that we did with AIPMM, the Association of International Product Management and Marketing, called Innovation Management Priorities and Challenges. We heard back from more than 280 product executives on what were some of their top priorities, what were some of their top challenges when it came to innovation entering 2011. One of the biggest findings that we found was that more than half the respondents said that less than 50% of their product launches over the last 3 years were successful. Less than 50%. Why is that? When we looked a little deeper into the findings, we found 4 major reasons why product launches fail today. Number 1, not being able to align your strategy with execution. More than 40% of the respondents said that their engineering teams are most likely working on the wrong products and features. More than 70% of them said that they decided to work or invest in the wrong products and features in the first place. So not being able to connect your strategy with execution is a huge struggle within companies today, and one of the biggest reasons why product launches fail. The next big reason is failing to listen to your customers, failing to incorporate the voice of the customer into your product innovation process. Most companies are struggling with that. In fact, only less than 25% of the companies said that they have some form of an online system to collect ideas from their customers. Now think about all the hundreds and thousands of customer conversations that can happen in any given company. Where are they being recorded today? In emails and telephone conversations and PowerPoints. So no wonder companies are struggling to make products that the markets and the customers need and will pay for. So that's a big reason. The third big reason why why products fail is because companies are not yet automated their innovation processes. More than 70% of the respondents said that they're still manual, and what they meant by manual was they still rely on Word documents and Excel and PowerPoint to manage critical things like requirements, for example. So no wonder company product launches fail, because they're still not yet automated their basic innovation processes. And the fourth reason why products fail, according to the study, was they fail to manage their execution risk, the timeline dependencies, the resources planning, etc. And hence they miss the mark. They miss the deadlines that they need to get the products out the door. So managing risk is still on the agenda, very big struggle for companies today. So those are the 4 big reasons we identified from the study why product launches fail. Now, what are companies planning to do going into 2011? More than 70% said that they're going to invest in a product portfolio management solution. So they want to be able to decide on the right products for the right markets and bring them out to market at the right time. That was followed by a close second was ideation. Companies want to invest more in ideation, web-based platforms. They want to do more social collaboration with their customers to make sure that their voice of the customer is integrated into their innovation processes. And finally, companies also are planning to focus a lot more on agile execution. Not surprisingly, because they want to make sure that their teams, their development teams, engineering teams are working on the most important products and features in the first place. So those are some of the things that the companies are planning to do entering 2011.